Okay, so you start with oxygen. Okay, there is one oxygen and two hydrogen atom. Okay, so this one is covalent bond. Okay, so continue another drawing. Okay, continue another water molecule which is bonded to the first water molecule yang awak draw. Draw another water molecule which is bonded to the first water molecule. Okay, sambung. Okay, dapat tak? Sama tak dengan saya? Make sure okay, very good. So make sure the oxygen here is bonded to the hydrogen. Mungkin awak nak sambung hydrogen kat bawah ni dengan oxygen from another water molecule. Tak kisah. As long as you show the bond here, okay, what is the name of the bond? It is not covalent bond, it is?
Hydrogen bond.
Yes, very good. Hydrogen bond. Remember, the bond between water molecule is hydrogen bond, while the bond within water molecule is covalent bond. Ataupun ikatan covalent kan, korang panggil masa kalau SPM bahasa Melayu, ikatan. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggeris dipanggil bond. Okay, so how to draw one water molecule bonded to another four water molecule? Macam mana awak nak jawab kat sini? How to draw one water molecule bonded to another four water molecule? So in total, there are 5 water molecule all together. Okay, how? First one is you have to start with the first water molecule. So oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Miss, kalau tak buat bulat-bulat tak apa ke? Tak ada masalah. As long as you show it is oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, and then you show, macam mana lagi nak sambung? Okay, kat sini saya sambung buat hydrogen bond. So ini oxygen ke hydrogen?
Oxygen.
Okay, and then this one?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. How about this one?
Oxygen.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Okay. If here?
Teacher,
Yeah.
hydrogen bond memang kena putus-putus
Dia macam ni. Awak kena separatekan between hydrogen bond and covalent bond. Let's say kalau covalent bond awak buat putus-putus, hydrogen bond awak buat straight line. Tapi awak kena separatekan dia. Separatekan dua bentuk. Tak kisah mana-mana tapi make sure berbeza. Okay, how about oxygen here? Bonded to?
Hydrogen.
Okay, then continue, sambung, completekan. And then another one?
Hydrogen.
Oxygen. Okay, so complete lah kat sini. Tapi biasanya awak tak akan dapat full mark. Okay, sebab awak kena label the bond. So here is what bond? Hydrogen bond. And kat sini adalah covalent bond. Miss, boleh tak buat labeling, buat arrow? Awak buat arrow. Tak boleh Kalau dalam biology, arrow represent process. If you want to label, you have to make sure it is a straight line without the head. Without the head, tak ada arrow tu, jangan tunjuk arrow. Arrow represent process. Kalau dalam biology memang salah lah kalau awak label tu awak tunjuk arrow. Awak hanya tarik sahaja dia. And then awak namakan label dia. Okay, so kita continue. Alright, so kita tengok, ini adalah saya ambil daripada Google, gambar. Dan kita akan tengok kat sini ada tambahan yang mana ini adalah kita panggil sebagai sebagai apa Sebagai apa, Kas? Sekejap, saya
Partial positive charge.
Partial, yes. Partial charge. Okay, kita tengok first point. How many hydrogen atom bonded to how many oxygen atom?
Two.
How many oxygen atom?
One.
Okay, and then the bond angle here. What is the bond angle? The whole water molecule.
105.
105. And 5,
104.5.
4.5 degree. So 104.5 degree. So what is the bond here?
Covalent bond.
Covalent bond. Okay, water is a polar molecule. Why water is a polar molecule? Because of the unequal
distribution.
Because of the unequal distribution of electron. Because of the unequal distribution of electron. Okay, kat sini awak mungkin tak clear sangat. Lepas ni kita akan tengok what cause the unequal distribution of electron. Okay, tapi kalau soalan minta why water is a polar molecule, the reason is here because of the unequal distribution of electron between oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, then the next question is what are the effects of polarity? Ni kita akan tengok lah lepas ni ada 6 unique properties of water. So effect dia ni, effect polarity ni boleh contribute to another effects lah. Okay, kita akan tengok. Alright, so you have to differentiate between covalent and hydrogen bond. Okay, salah satu. Give me one example. Give me one answer. In terms of structure, awak boleh nampak kat sini. Hydrogen bond,
attraction of opposite partial charge.
Attraction between partial charge. However, covalent,
Sharing of electron between.
sharing of electron. Very good. Okay, lagi kalau awak nampak dalam diagram ni, paling mudah, senang je daripada ni.
One is within the water molecule.
Yes, which one is within water molecule?
The covalent bond.
Covalent bond. Which one is between water molecules?
The hydrogen bond.
Hydrogen bond.
Okay, in terms of strength, which bond is stronger?
Covalent.
Covalent.
Covalent bond is stronger. Why? Kenapa covalent bond is stronger? Kenapa hydrogen
Sebab dia
bond?
share electron.
Yang mana stronger?
Covalent.
Because of
Sebab dia share electron.
electron. Okay, and hydrogen bond? Because of? Because of apa? Atau kena cari. Okay, kita tengok ya. Hydrogen bond, macam mana, how to break the bond of hydrogen? How to break hydrogen bond? By using heat. Heat will break hydrogen bond. However, for the covalent bond, how to break covalent bond? Okay, dia not necessarily heat. Heat doesn't really affect. Tapi dia adalah, kalau dalam biologi dia perlukan enzim. Perlukan enzim. Contohnya adalah, okay, contoh. Kalau baju awak terkena apa? Terkena minyak. Macam mana awak nak hilangkan? Boleh tak awak basuh guna air je? Air sahaja?
Lipid.
Tak boleh kan? Tak boleh sebab dia adalah lebih kepada hydrogen bond. Okay, water tu adalah hydrogen bond, lebih kepada hydrogen bond. Tapi sebenarnya yang menyebabkan susah untuk basuh tu disebabkan there are so many covalent bond. Macam mana nak break down the covalent bond? Macam mana awak nak basuh, nak tanggalkan minyak tu adalah menggunakan enzim. Enzim kat mana boleh dapat? Daripada deterjen. Okay, dalam deterjen ataupun sabun, yes, kita boleh break the covalent bond. Okay, that is one of the way. Okay, and then next question is what causes the unequal distribution of electron in water? Yang penyebab polar ni. Okay. Okay, what causes unequal distribution of electron in water? Because of, okay, first one is, kalau awak tengok ya, cuba recall balik SPM, Form 4 kot awak belajar jadual berkala, betul tak? Awak belajar predictable. Form 4 ke Form 5?
Form 4.
Oh.
Okay, so awak boleh nampak yang mana across predictable electronegativity increases. Ini yang kita nak tengok. Across predictable ataupun merentasi jadual berkala, electronegativity bertambah. So boleh comparekan kat sini. This is hydrogen and oxygen adalah pada group berapa ni? Group berapa? Saya tak ingat. 16 16. Okay, so awak boleh compare kan between group 1 and group 16. Which one is stronger? Group 16 because of the electronegativity. Okay, so kat sini what happened? So since oxygen here is in group 16, so its electronegativity is higher compared to hydrogen. So what is the effect? Dia akan pull the electron of hydrogen towards ataupun closer to the oxygen atom. That's the reason why there is unequal distribution of electron kat sini. Okay, so we know that oxygen is more electronegativity than hydrogen. So the effect is oxygen will pull electron closer to it. Okay, and then the effect is it will give the partial charge. That's why awak boleh nampak hydrogen dia ada positive partial charge, while oxygen dia ada negative partial charge. So dia kalau yang negatif tu maksudnya dia tarik ke arah dia. Okay. Okay, saya proceed je. Kalau ada soalan terus tanya. Okay, and then what are the effects of polarity of water? Pertama sekali adalah each of the water, because of the polarity, each of the water molecule can bond to another 4 water molecule. So macam kita lukis tadi, satu water molecule dia boleh tarik another 4 water molecule, meaning that there are 5 altogether. Okay, nanti saya tanya berapa hydrogen bond. Okay, berapa hydrogen bond kat dalam drawing ni? How many hydrogen bond? For 5 water molecule.
4.
Okay, 4 hydrogen bond. Ingat ni soalan selalu trick. Soalan ni senang je. Kadang-kadang mungkin orang kata, ni soalan susah lah kadang-kadang kan. Bukanlah soalan susah. Kadang-kadang soalan tu trick awak sahaja. Awak kena prepare betul-betul. Dia minta covalent bond ke, dia minta hydrogen bond ke, how many water molecule. Tu kena hati-hatilah. In mastering the question, in mastering the answer, you have to master the questions first. Itulah dia. Okay, and then another effect is kat sini, it can attract another polar molecule. Since water is a polar, it can attract another polar molecule. For example here, chloride ion, sodium ion dia boleh attract. Okay, that's why dia boleh larut kan, macam air dia boleh larutkan garam kan. So sebab apa? Because of another polar substances can attract water molecule. Okay. Kita tengok ya, 6 unique properties of water. Kalau refer kepada nota, okay, ada 6 properties of water yang awak perlu tahu. Dan ini adalah very unique sebab 6 ni special untuk water. Okay, first one is water is a universal solvent. Kenapa dia universal solvent? Kenapa? Because of water is
Dia dissolve banyak.
yes. So bila dia polar, so apa advantage kepada polar? Dia boleh dissolve many substances. Dia boleh dissolve substances. Inilah advantage dia. Okay, and then the next one is low viscosity. Ni sebenarnya awak dah study semalam kuliah, awak dah kena study kan. Kalau awak jawab mungkin awak dah nampak dah. Should be awak dah jawab kan. So first one is, second one is water has low viscosity. What is mean by viscosity? In Malay we call them as kelikatan. Betul lah? Betul kan? Word tu, kelikatan. Okay, so kalau compare kat sini awak tengok ya, water, olive oil and honey. Which one is highest viscosity is at the highest?
Honey.
Honey.
Yes.
Honey
Has the highest viscosity. Why you say honey has the highest viscosity? Kenapa? Kenapa awak kata honey paling tinggi kelikatan dia?
Because it
Hard to flow, yes.
Flow.
Hard to flow. Susah untuk dia bergerak. So water ni dia ada kat sini advantage adalah dia low viscosity. So apa advantage dia? So it is easier to flow within our body. For example, blood. So blood mudahlah untuk to be transported in our body. So from the head to the toe, so mudahlah untuk bergerak. So it will act as medium of transportation. Okay, the third one is water has the high specific heat capacity. Okay, high specific heat capacity. Apa maksudnya heat specific heat capacity? Maksudnya adalah the high amount of heat is required to increase or to decrease 1 degree Celsius for 1 gram of water. Meaning that untuk naikkan suhu daripada contohnya daripada suhu 79 degree Celsius kepada 80 degree Celsius, water require high amount of heat to increase even 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and then apa dia punya biological significances? Pertama adalah it will act as heat insulation. Okay, maksudnya kat sini bila kita ada air dalam badan, even suhu kat luar pun suhu berapa? Suhu 40 degree Celsius. So badan awak 40 degree Celsius tak? Tak kan? Badan kita takkan. Kalau normal takkan 40 degree Celsius. Sebab apa? Walaupun external environment kita 40, tapi dalam kita boleh resist the changes because of the water inside us will resist the sudden changes. Okay, untuk elakkan perubahan tu, so water akan absorb heat kat situ. So badan kita takkan mudah naik suhu badan. Okay, next adalah it will stabilize the ocean. Okay, stabilize the ocean. So that's why lah juga kadang-kadang waktu tengah hari terik kan, walaupun panas dekat sekeliling, tapi bila awak pegang air laut ke pegang air yang ada, waktu panas tu masih lagi sejuk. Okay, ni advantage dia sebab water has high specific heat capacity. The next adalah coolant. So dalam kereta memang ada coolant lah. Memang biasanya orang letak air dalam coolant ni sebab apa? Dia akan sebab ada air lah. So air ni ada karakteristik of high specific heat capacity, elakkan kereta terlalu panas. Okay, next adalah high latent heat of vaporization. High lagi kan? Tadi high specific heat capacity. Ingat ya, ada perkataan 4. High specific heat capacity. This one is high latent heat of vaporization. Okay, apa maksud vaporization kat sini? Okay, so kalau ingat lagi dalam form 4, tak silap saya lah, form 4 awak ada belajar ni the state of water kan? Saya tak ingat lah title dia, tapi perubahan air ni yang mana dia daripada solid kepada liquid kepada gas. Okay, so kalau kita tengok vaporization kat mana dia punya state dia adalah kat sini. From liquid to gas. Meaning that from water become water vapor. Water vapor. Okay, so kalau ikutkan definition dia, apa maksud high latent heat vaporization? It means that high amount of heat must be absorbed by water to convert into water vapor. So untuk mengubah liquid water to become water vapor, so high amount of heat is required. So inilah advantage dia. Kita tengok ya, apa advantage water kepada kita adalah sweating. So sweating ni adalah salah satu cara untuk penyejukan badan. Okay, macam mana boleh berlaku sweat ni? Kadang-kadang bila awak perasan tak, kalau awak berpeluh, awak sebenarnya rasa sejuk. Tapi sebenarnya awak sedang panas. Kenapa? Badan kita time tu panas, so badan kita absorb large amount of heat. Then how do our body release heat is by sweating. So nak kata bila kita berpeluh, dalam peluh tu sebenarnya has high amount of heat removed from our body. And then what will happen to the peluh ataupun water on the surface of our skin, it will be evaporated. To the environment. So inilah yang kita kata high latent heat of vaporization. Dia akan tukarkan, dia akan remove heat daripada badan kita keluar. Okay, the next adalah 6 the properties of water. The next adalah high surface tension. Okay, high surface tension ni, what is mean by high surface tension? Kita tengok dulu dia punya advantage dia. Awak tengok, this one is water scatter. Water scatter ataupun mungkin awak pernah tengok apa contohnya, nyamuk. Perasan tak kadang-kadang nyamuk ataupun laba-laba boleh jalan atas air? Perasan tak? Atas air.
Perasan.
So kenapa? Awak boleh tak agak-agak jalan atas air?
Boleh.
Yakin tak? Awak rasa awak boleh jalan atas air tak? So mungkin boleh, mungkin tak.
Boleh.
So given the speed, kalau very nak kata speed sangat tinggi, possible je lah untuk awak be on top of water surface actually. Okay, so kat sini kita tengok apa yang menyebabkan, even kalau awak buat eksperimen, awak letak jarum ke, awak letak macam ni, clip kertas kan, paper clip letak atas air, dia still boleh float. Kenapa? Walaupun paper clip ataupun jarum tu lebih berat daripada air, okay, kenapa dia tak ke bawah? Sebab because of the high surface tension. Okay, kali ni kita tengok apa karakteristik dia. Karakteristik dia ni paling utama kita tengok kat atas. Tadi kita sebut kan, daripada satu water molecule can form another 4 hydrogen bond. So awak boleh compare kan yang arrow ni sebagai hydrogen bond. Okay, kita tengok kat sini contohnya water molecule kat sini. Okay, dia boleh form 4 hydrogen bond, satu kat sini, satu kat sini, satu kat sini, satu kat sini. Ada 4. Tetapi what is the advantage on the surface here? So kita tahu satu water molecule can form 4 water molecule, meaning that dia boleh form another 4 hydrogen bond. So supposedly, okay macam ni. Suppose, okay, ini satu. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then atas ni 1, 2, 3, 4. Atas ni 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so awak tengok kat sini. Apa akan berlaku pada hydrogen bond ke atas? There is no another water molecule on the surface kat sini. So nak kata maksimum dia kat sini. There is no another water molecule on top. So apa yang berlaku kepada hydrogen bond ke atas ni, dia akan jatuh ke tepi. Dia akan jatuh ke tepi. Jatuh ke tepi. Yang ni pun jatuh ke tepi. So that's why awak boleh nampak on the surface of water, there are 2 hydrogen bond here. There are 2 hydrogen bond between water molecule. Extra hydrogen bond compared to the rest kat bawah ni. That's why ini adalah advantage untuk paperclip, untuk yang lain-lain lah, untuk water skater boleh move on the water surface. Okay, lagi advantage dia kat sini. Okay, kalau tengok ya, the measure of how difficult to break the surface of a liquid due to cohesive force and adhesive force. Kalau tengok kat sini apa yang dimasukkan dengan cohesive force. Cohesive force is kita nak kata the force created between water molecule, between the same polar molecule. That is cohesive force. However, for the adhesive force is the force between different polar molecule, between water and another non-water molecule. For example kat sini, kalau awak basahkan meja awak dengan air, cuba awak letak tangan awak atas air. Cuba awak angkat tangan awak, basah tak agak-agak? Basah kan? Sebab apa? Kat situ awak rasa cohesive force ke adhesive force? Apply yang mana?
Adhesive force.
Adhesive.
Because of kat situ dia two separated, kita nak kata two separated substances lah. So ada 2. Okay, so itulah advantage dia juga untuk water molecule to move up the plant throughout the stem kat sini. So daripada bawah ke atas pokok. Macam mana air tu boleh naik tanpa putus. Walaupun ada graviti daripada bawah yang menarik. Okay, macam awak melompat, akhirnya jatuh, awak baling bola, akhirnya jatuh, ada graviti. Tapi macam mana water ni, dia boleh tetap naik without, kita nak kata apa, without putus. Dia tetap boleh naik. So kat sini salah satu, awak boleh nampak between water molecule dia ada cohesive force ataupun cohesion. Okay, and then another one, kat sini awak boleh nampak water ni dia attracted to the xylem wall. So xylem wall is actually polar. So that's why dia boleh naik ke atas tanpa putus. Sambil dia naik tu, sambil tu dia attach to the xylem wall. Tu dah advantage dia. Okay, lama pula saya bercakap. Okay, next, the last adalah maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Ni mungkin ramai dah tahu kot. Semalam ada study kan. Maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Maximum density, okay, kat sini maximum density dia, what is mean by density class? Density ni apa formula dia? Ketumpatan. What over what?
Volume.
Mass over volume.
Mass over volume. Very good. Mass over volume. Okay, so kat sini what is the maximum of density? Apa maximum density? Berapa maximum density? 1 lah. 1 adalah maximum density. Bila awak divide benda yang sama, contohnya mass dia 10, volume dia 10. So bila sama-sama ni, maximum dia adalah 1 lah. So bila 1, kat mana position dia? Position adalah at the bottom. So kalau awak tengok ya, bila pada suhu 4 degrees Celsius, it will be at the bottom. Water will be at the bottom. Water yang pada suhu 4 degrees Celsius tu. Tetapi what happen, okay kita tengok ya, 4 degrees Celsius ke 100 degrees Celsius, and then daripada 4 kepada 0 degree Celsius. So from 4 to the 0, it will float on the top of water. It will become ice. It will become ice kat sini. Okay, however, what happened to the 5 degree Celsius to the rest? Kat mana position dia? Position dia adalah here. Kat sini, warm water. Sebab apa? Dia punya density become lower. Dan cold water, awak boleh nampak kat sini. Atas sekali ice, second layer adalah warm water. The bottom layer is cold water, which is 4 degree Celsius lah kalau ikut ke apply konsep ni. That's why lah sometimes kalau perasan, kalau awak minum air sejuk yang berais, bila awak minum first sip kan, awak boleh perasan lepas ais tu macam ada air rasa warm sikit and then baru air sejuk. Sebab apa? Dia apply kat sini maximum density at 4 degree Celsius. So ice, warm water and cold water at the bottom. Okay. And then apa advantage dia? Maximum density at 4 degree Celsius for the water, it will so nak kata apa effect dia? So aquatic animals can survive in the pond, in the lakes, so dia boleh survive. Walaupun atas tu suhu tu sejuk sangat kan, nak kata contohnya dekat Antartika, sangat sejuk. Tapi kenapa bila kat bawah masih lagi ada aquatic animal survive? Why? Because of apply benda ni lah. Sebab air kat bawah tu sejuk. Tapi kat atas beku. So dia bukanlah beku terus sampai ke bawah, tak ada. Alright, so that's your understanding. Ada soalan? Tak apa, saya ada soalan. 5 water molecule bonded to each other. How many hydrogen bond form?
4.
Why water a polar molecule?
Uneven distribution of the charges.
Because of
Uneven distribution of the
unequal distribution of
charges.
charges.
Electrons.
Electron.
Okay. Next, awak kena choose between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Saya bagi statement, awak kena choose. First one, water scatter can walk on the water surface.
High surface tension.
High surface tension.
Yes, high surface tension. Very good. Medium of transportation. For example, plant.
2.
Low viscosity.
Number 1. Viscosity.
Aquatic organism can live in water even the water surface is frozen.
6.
Maximum density.
Okay, maximum density at 4. Okay, next. Sea water remain cool during hot day.
High specific capacity.
Heat capacity.
High specific capacity. Okay, can dissolve many substances.
Universal solvent.
Universal solvent. Okay, next saya nak tanya, kalau awak berpeluh